What's up, fools? This is DK speaking. Today our trip continues with NoMud Adventures in episode 4. I hope that you are enjoying this series. Let's not keep you waiting any longer. Let's start the show.
Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Oh! Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Oh! No! Ja? Nou, die ging hard, vriend. Oh.
Oopsie, found it.
Found it. It's recording! You got the crash on the camera!
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello!
Nice to meet you.
How are you? I'm pretty okay, just back.
In my mind it was just gonna jump very nice, but then I went to the front and I fell over the handlebars. And then VDB came along, he filmed it also, I think.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Sir Crashking! How are you doing?
Yeah, it's great.
You're just taking a break?
Yeah, it's too boring to do it in once, so
Okay,
I'm gonna do it again.
nice.
But I saw you were filming, so I just had to stop.
Yeah, take the moment, right?
Need to go up, not go down, mate. Come on, let's see how it does now.
How are you today, sir?
Yeah, good, how are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you. I'm just watching. What are you doing here?
Yeah, I saw it stopped by.
Yeah, okay. Hello.
Hello,
What's your
Crashking, nice to meet you.
Come here.
Oh,
You
okay.
want to eat something, mate?
Yeah, that would be nice.
You're a good boy.
Yes,
I'm gonna feed you a little bit now.
yes.
Just eat some stuff. Ah, good. Where are you from?
Netherlands, but let's get back down and do it again. Ah!
Do it, do it, do it, do it!
But But let's get back down and do it again.
Attempt, I don't know, I lost count, so maybe attempt 10 or something?
Don't stand up on this one.
Okay.
Stand down, put pressure on the legs and more in front. And put pressure and tension on legs and arms. And when you're down, do a little bit of one before and go a little bit more momentum, okay?
Awesome. Yeah. Thanks, man. But I noticed when I put my body more in the front, I get the momentum more.
You can do it! Come on, albino! Okay. Come on,
Okay, bye.